Now we write algebra of statements. First we write commutative law. P or Q is equal to Q or P. And here and also we can write P and Q is equal to Q and P. This is what called commutative law. Then we write associative law. Associative law means we should take three statements: P or Q or R is equal to P or Q or R. And here also we can write in conjunction P and Q and R is equal to P and Q and R. Then distributive law. P or Q and R is equal to P or Q and P or R. Next one, P and Q or R is given by P and Q or P and R. Then idempotent laws. P or P is identically equal to P. P and P is identically equal to P.